Pickens, South Carolina. We've got 4 gentlemen here who are related. I'm gonna start with the eldest of the group. What's your name, sir?
Dorr.
Benny Dorr. Now, who are these gentlemen next to you?
This is my son Mark, my son Josh, my nephew Stump.
So this is a 2-generation game with 4 guys playing.
Right.
What year did you graduate?
1983.
And you?
2012. 2003. 06.
So we've got 2 generations of 4 guys playing together. What does this game mean to you guys to be able to play together?
It's unbelievable to just come together. We always dream about stuff like this, and it's happening today.
Yeah, I never thought I'd get the opportunity to sit up at the same time with any of these guys for sure, man. It's unbelievable. It's awesome.
It's special. This game's special. A game like this, you know, there's words can't do a game like this justice. To be honest with you, and to have an opportunity to play with my dad, my cousin, my brother, I mean, it's a rare deal, and it's never thought it'd happen.
Awesome. Stump?
Stood up with my family on the field of battle. It's something we've always dreamed about and talked about, and now it's showtime. See how it goes.
Tell me about the jersey.
This jersey was the one I wore in high school in 1983.
1983 jersey.
Yeah, fits like a glove.
Fits like a glove. All right, thanks, fellas.